final thing that we want to talk about is motion matching. You guys saw State of Unreal. Hopefully you've seen it. If you haven't, go watch it. There's a demo in there called Jasper. That's our motion matching demo that we put together. And it's using a very large data set of clips for the motion matcher to work with. What I'm showing is like the opposite end of the spectrum. I'm showing motion matching with sparse data sets. And it still looks great. That's the point. It can work with very sparse data sets and still be really an amazing tool for handling character animation in runtime, you know? So let's check it out. Let's see it in context. Let's go ahead and jump over, switch our mode to my snow dude. We'll get rid of that. We don't need to see that. And we'll hit play. All right, so here we are. And as I run my little guy around, you can see I've got these nice arc animations happening as I run this guy. If I do some starts or some stops, you know, really good transitions. And this is using, again, a very sparse data set. Let's go ahead and jump back and I'll show you the clips for this. It's using 12 clips. It's ridiculously good looking animation for this limited number of data sets. The ability for it to transition and match and select the right clip and do the warping and the blending and make it just all look great for 12 clips. Amazing. So and here's a fun thing. Like if we pull up the database, you can see here's the initial database. This is it. It's just it's a few arcs, couple starts, couple stops, not a lot in there. And it really is, even though it's a simple example, it's actually doing some very sophisticated things. We're using the root bone offset for the initial kind of local motion. And that's a new experimental plugin. Off of that root bone offset, where then the motion matcher, it kind of gives it the angle, and then the motion matcher selects the correct clip based off of that angle off the root bone offset, and then it does like a little bit of blending and warping and magic, and it just gives you these really nice animations. Now, a lot of times,